In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to JSON in Notion. If you want to repurpose your Notion content for development, data analysis, or automation, JSON is a great format because it's structured and machine-readable. We'll take a clear, two-stage path. First, export your Notion page as a PDF, and then convert that PDF into a JSON file using a reputable online tool. I'll explain what to click, what to look for, and a few best practices to keep things smooth. Start by opening the exact Notion page you want to export. In the top right corner of the page, click the three-dot menu, sometimes shown as a three-dot icon. From that drop-down, choose Export. This is your gateway to saving the page outside of Notion. It's helpful to glance over your page before exporting to make sure everything you want is visible and expanded, since the export captures what's on the page at that moment. In the export options that appear, select PDF from the Format drop-down. PDF is a fixed layout format that preserves how your content looks. Click Export to start the download. Notion will compile the content and your browser will save the file, typically to your default Downloads folder. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked where to save it. Keep track of the file name so you can find it easily in the next step. Remember that PDFs flatten interactive elements, so toggles, embeds, and databases are captured as static content, which is normal and expected for this workflow. Next, open your web browser and go to a reputable PDF to JSON converter website. Because you are uploading a file, make sure you are comfortable with the site's privacy policy, especially if the document contains sensitive information. On the converter page, upload the PDF you just exported from Notion. Many sites let you drag and drop the file or click an upload button. Then start the conversion to JSON. The site will process the document and extract its text and layout into a structured JSON representation. When the conversion finishes, download the resulting JSON file to your device. You'll typically see a .json file, and the structure may include keys that represent pages, blocks, or text segments, depending on the converter's approach. You can now use that file in your app, workflow, or script that expects JSON input. And that's it. Export from Notion to PDF, convert to JSON, and download your structured data. Thanks for watching.